Hello everyone, I'm Nina and welcome to my channel. Before starting this video, I want to tell you that today, like half an hour ago, I hit 10,000 subscribers. And honestly, I don't even fully realize this, but it's just such a nice feeling. I'm really happy that people find my channel interesting and they want to support it and me and my art, and all of it is just so great, and I'm really thankful for that. So I was thinking about what kind of video I can make for my 10K special, and I decided to make this video, and later this week or in the beginning of next week I will make a live where I will chat with all of you and answer your questions and, I don't know, tell my YouTube story again or what you want. Okay, so what is going to be in this video? In this video I decided to show you guys how to create this neon glow effect on your drawings. And here some of you might say, wait a minute, you already made this video, and yeah, you're right, but in this video I will be using pencils instead of the digital tablet, because I understand that not a lot of people have digital tablets, but all of you, I hope, have pencils, so this is what we're going to use in this video. Thank you one more time for 10K, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and let's move to the tutorial. For this video, I'm going to use this tiny set of pencils. I bought them a few days ago and I was really in love with them from the first sight. Right now, I'm going to compare them to the normal pencils because you might not have this neon set, and have a solution for that. Both these sets are by Faber-Castell, and right now I'm going to compare the neon set to the polychromos. As you can see, the neon set looks actually a lot brighter than polychromos. And later on we're going to compare them on the paper also. From the first sight it may seem that the polychromos aren't bright enough, but I actually found a solution. For example, if you take a dark pink or a dark blue, well, I don't think it's okay to call them dark because they're just not as bright as the neon ones, but never mind. If you take those pencils and if you also take a white pencil, and if you're going to use both of them, then the effect is going to be really close to the neon one. So you can do two things. You can buy the neon set like me, or you can just take normal pencils, any pencils, polychromos or others, and also take a white pencil and work together with the white pencil. So let's take a look at some swatches now. First of all, I want to tell you that this orange one looks a lot brighter in the real life, and here it's a little bit too pale. Anyways, it's not my favorite pencil from this set, but the next one is definitely one of the brightest. I wish the pink one was a little bit more vibrant, but it's actually okay. The green one is really good, just like the yellow one, so I can tell you that the green one and the yellow one are my favorites. The blue one doesn't seem neon at all. It's actually a disappointment, and right now I'm trying to compare the polychromos with the neon one. And what can I say? The combination of the blue plus white works just as good as the neon one. I actually can't say the same about the green and white, but if you add a tiny bit of yellow, then it looks a lot more closer. So what can I say? I think the blue neon can easily get out of the set, but the other three are actually pretty cool. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to erase some graphite from the areas I'm going to draw on. I'm using this kneadable eraser and I'm going to erase some pencils from the cheeks, tip of the nose, maybe from some hair and a tiny bit from his neck. You guys might remember Justin from my last glow tutorial, and I decided to use the same drawing also here, so you could also compare the final result. I'm erasing the pencil because otherwise the colors would look greasy, and we need them to look very bright and vibrant. And here I realized that I need a hard eraser because I really need to erase some pencils. And my kneadable eraser is a little bit too soft. Or maybe it's because the drawing is like 3 years old or something and something has happened to the pencils, but the kneadable eraser really didn't work how it was supposed to work. I chose a green pencil for this drawing and I'm starting from the hair. The lightest areas of the drawing, I mean the ones that are almost white, are going to be the brightest, so keep that in mind if you're going to try this thing. So I decided that the left part of his face is going to be green. And as I said, the most highlighted areas are going to be the brightest. So his tip of the nose, his cheek, maybe a little bit on the chin and a tiny bit on his neck are going to be really green. I'm trying not to press hard on the areas with a lot of pencils, with a lot of graphite I mean, because I was really afraid of smudging and smearing everything, and this is what can happen, so be careful. Sometimes I feel that I need to erase some graphite before taking a green pencil, and that's totally okay because the drawing was already finished before I started doing this thing, but if I wanted to do it straight away, then I think I wouldn't use this much graphite on the selected area. I think I need to say a few words about the pressure control, because obviously the harder you press, the brighter the color is. And there is only one green pencil, I mean there are no harder or softer ones, so the pressure control in this case is a tool. So I really need to be careful with the pressure control to create these soft edges. And in the end I decided to add more yellow to make it even more neon. And while you're watching how I'm finishing my drawing, I want to underline the most important things one more time. White pencils work perfectly together with the colored ones, so really check it out, experiment, and you'll find the right colors and the right mood. Try to avoid hard strokes and really be careful about your pressure control. And remember to erase the graphite first, because it will look really crazy if you don't do it. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember that your likes, comments and subscriptions help my channel to get better. See you soon, guys. Bye!